Hello, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Scorpio, maraming salamat sa inyong mga likes and subscribes. Pati na rin po sa mga comments ninyo at sa mga hindi po nag-skip ng ads. Maraming salamat. I appreciate it. Family, maaring yun ang focus ninyo sa ngayon, Scorpio. Maybe you are also building your own family. Siguro sa ngayon, baka laying a solid foundation on that area. Yun ang pinagkakaabalahan or pagkakaabalahan ninyo. Meron din ako napipick up dito na baka ang iba sa inyo is growing your family. So siguro, merong panibagong member no ng pamilya na paparating. Baka merong manganganak dito. It could be you or could be your person. Pwedeng ganon, ano. So, there is someone, no, additional family member. Yun ang napipick up ko dyan. For others of you, maybe bonding moments, no, with the whole family. Maaring yon ang ganap. Merong outing siguro or merong celebration, no, or baka merong project no na pagkakaabalahan ng inyong buong pamilya na sama-sama masaya, no. Justice is also will be served to you sa ngayon. Kung ano man ang pinaglalaban ninyo, you will get what you deserve. You will claim your justice dito. Kaya napakaganda. At ito din yung maaring magiging susi para makabalik na kayo sa balanse, para maging maayos ng muli ang takbo ng buhay ninyo na wala na kayong wino-worry, wala nang nagbabother sa inyo, maaring gano'n, no? This could be, at the time na masasabi ninyong problem solved. Friendship, ayan, maybe ito din yung isa sa mga pagkakaabalahan din ninyo. Maaaring meron kayong mga invitation from your friends, no, for social gatherings. Baka magtitipon-tipon kayo, parang may reunion siguro kayo with your friends. Probably then you are meeting new friends, no? You're building new friendships siguro sa ngayon. Life purpose, ayan. So siguro na-figure out nyo na kung ano yung life purpose ninyo, Scorpio. Probably then ang iba sa inyo ay siguro nagkaroon na ng illumination at siguro alam nyo na ngayon kung ano na yung inyong mission sa buhay, no? So, napakasaya din, no, na malaman kung ano yung purpose ninyo in life at gawin na, simula ng mamuhay, no, in your purpose kasi malalaman nyo din pala yan, no, na you are already living your purpose kapag yung ginagawa ninyo unang-una, masaya kayo sa ginagawa ninyo, ini-enjoy nyo yan, at mas masaya kayo na kung ano man ang inyong ginagawa, nakakatulong kayo sa ibang tao in any way. Pag nararamdaman ninyo na it's very fulfilling to serve other people, to help other people in any way, ibig sabihin nun na you are already living your purpose. Stargazing, when you gaze at the stars, you give yourself very focus. Your intuition will flow more freely and reveal what you need to know about your situation. Ayan. So, Scorpio, maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito, baka may access din talaga naman kayo, no? Para makapag-stargazing kayo, spend time kayo by yourself, nakatingala sa skies, pinagmamasdan ang buwan, pinagmamasdan ang mga bituin, 'di ba? Iba parang ang pakiramdam parang nagme-meditate, no? Parang nagme-meditate kayo. Kaya, give it a try kung hindi pa ninyo nasusubukan yan. Kasi napakasarap ng pakiramdam. Lalo-lalo na kung kayo lang mag-isa, no? Ginagawa nyo yan mag-isa. Parang anlalim, no? Ng connection ninyo agad with the universe. No? Parang pag nakatingala kayo sa skies, lalo-lalo kung minamasdan ninyo ang buwan or minamasdan ninyo yung mga stars, parang nangungusap sila sa iyo, no? Mararamdaman ninyo yan, give it a try. Kasi baka hindi niyo magigets yung sinasabi ko, but do it yourself para ma-experience ninyo yung magic no? It's very a magical moment, no? Yung moment na yan na na parang you're having a silent conversation with God through the sky, through the stars and through the through the moon. We have solitude. Yan. So think of being alone as meaning you are all one and in total harmony with everything. The greatest treasures are those that wait silently during your quiet times. Ayan. So maaring ang iba sa inyo dito, Scorpio, ito talaga yung kailangan ninyong gawin sa ngayon. Maybe you need to spend time with yourself. You need to spend time, by yourself. Yung alone time, yung me time, maybe ito yung importanteng kailangan ninyong gawin at this time. Okay? Siguro kasi, Scorpio, lagi kayong busy, lagi kayong maraming ginagawa, maybe you're always preoccupied. Kaya give yourself a time to breathe. Okay? So, ito yung kailangan mapag-isa muna kayo. What else? We have wisdom. Yan. Have you ever been told that you're wise beyond your years? Parang old soul, yung ganon. Now is the time you call upon your inner fairy wisdom to help you with a challenge. Maybe, you are already a person of wisdom. Maybe you are a person of, you seasoned, no? Kumbaga, seasoned in life. Ang dami-dami mo nang alam sa buhay, ang dami mo nang napulot na aral, at ngayon, maaaring ito yung pagkakataon ninyo na meron kayong sitwasyon sa buhay ninyo wherein mailalabas ninyo rito yung inyong wisdom. Mailalabas ninyo dito kung ano yung nalaman ninyo, mga natutunan ninyo sa buhay in the past. Kumbaga, ito ngayon yung madidisplay mo na lahat ng alam mo. So, what else? We have life energy. Ayan. So, parang na-re-energized kayo, no? When you did the stargazing, parang na-re-energized kayo. You have that life force energy flowing through you. Sabi rito, the happy fairy of sunshine brings lots of life-giving energy. She reminds you to shine your light and to reveal anything in the shadows that needs to be healed. Napakaganda nito, Scorpio. Kasi parang the sun is shining on you in lahat ng parts ng buhay mo, lahat ng areas ng buhay mo. Kaya parang mas magiging enthusiastic ka ngayon, you will be optimistic, and of course, you will be very positive, no? Sa pakiramdam ninyo. Kaya napakaganda na gagaan, no, ang inyong pakiramdam. Parang matatabunan na lahat or mababalot na lahat ng liwanag ang kung ano man ang mga problema ninyo or kung ano man ang mga nagbabother sa inyo, that is going to start to fade away. Kasi mas makikita ninyo na ngayon ang positive side of life. Mas yun ang mapagpo-focusan ninyo. So, good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.